Hello everyone, here we are again with our final in these short videos. Today, 6 top tips for the speaking section. So first of all, try to speak some English every day before you do your test. A small bit of practice will really help you a lot. If in your test you need the question repeating, do ask the examiner. Number 3. If you get an unfamiliar topic, try to create a story. You know, you don't have to tell the truth, it can be made up. Okay, number 4. This is really to do with developing your answers. So don't just give yes/no answers. Develop and give some elaboration. Number 5. If you realize you've made a mistake, correct it as you go along. And finally, don't get stressed out. Keep calm, speak clearly, and don't try and be over clever with the examiner. Okay, well, you can obviously contact us if you're interested in training. Join us on our Facebook page, and hopefully you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be back again with some more videos later on. Good luck with your practice and your studies. Keep safe and take good care. Bye-bye.